Good morning, guys, again, and welcome to this beautiful week. I hope that you had an amazing weekend. Okay, so chicos, we had to continue with the class that we started last week, Friday. And remember that we were talking about places that we can visit in our country. Okay, so we had to continue with the topic, and for that reason, I need you to listen. Some conversations and also a dialogue because we have to check the vocabulary of today's lesson. And also after that, we need to work on some activities where you're going to practice with the speaking and also with the listening part, okay? So remember that we have the following vocabulary. We're going to describe the weather. Let me know if you can listen to it, okay? So let's pay attention to the words. You have to listen to them and you have to repeat them.
Lesson 12.1.
Let's listen, guys.
Page 118. Exercise 1A. Dark.
Okay, you have to
Wet.
repeat the words. Very nice.
Cloudy.
Mhm.
Foggy. Humid. Rainy.
Cold. Freezing. Snowy.
Hot. Boiling. Sunny.
Stormy. Blizzard. Snowstorm. Thunder and lightning. Windy.
Extreme. Drought. Flood. Hurricane.
Okay, very nice, guys. After that, as you saw, we had different words to describe different weather. So we have with dark and wet, we have with cold, hot, stormy, and extreme. Can you please tell me something about Costa Rica? What kind of weather do we have in Costa Rica? The rainy season and very nice, the hot season. What can you say about, for example, the hot season? Okay, very nice. Yes, we have humid, of course, yes, and we have hot. Excellent. And what about vocabulary related to the rainy season in Costa Rica? Very nice. We have rainy. What else? Blizzard. Lightning. Very nice, chicos. Windy. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, guys. Based on this, we have to continue checking a new conversation between two people, okay? That is the part of the language in context, okay? We're going to listen to the introduction to a radio interview. So you have to tell me who is Jonathan Bruckner and why is he in the studio. We are going to listen to that. At the end, you're going to answer the questions. And then the part B said that you're going to think of 3 different questions you want to ask Jonathan about his trip. Okay, then listen to the interview. Did the interviewer ask the same questions? Okay, I will give you time to write down 3 possible questions that you want to make to this person, Jonathan. Go ahead. I will give you like a couple of minutes. Do it. Ah, you finished? Okay, so give me the questions. How about the trip? Very nice. Very nice. What were the most interesting features you saw in your trip? Another question? Okay, well, what the weather like? Excellent. So we are going to listen and we are going to check if the answers, you can get the answers of your questions. Okay, so please let's listen to it. Okay.
Lesson 12.1. Page 118. Exercise 2B and 2C.
Jonathan, tell us some more about your adventures. What was the weather like in all these places?
We experienced every kind of weather possible. In Patagonia, we were in a snowstorm that lasted for 3 days. It was freezing and so windy.
That's a long time to be in the middle of a snowstorm.
In Ecuador, it was worse. There was a huge tropical storm with really heavy rain and thunder and lightning. There were floods and the roads were closed. We stayed there for a few days to help the local people clean up the mess.
Did you get any good weather?
Uruguay had good weather. It was perfect, warm and sunny.
Thanks, Jonathan. Let's take another short break. We'll be back in 2 minutes.
Okay, very nice. Did you get the answers of your questions? Kind, right? Okay. What is the most interesting thing about this audio? What do you think? Okay, the description of Ecuador, very nice, and the weather there. Hmm? What else? Okay, that he went to different places. Yes, he was talking about what? Very nice, Patagonia, and also Ecuador, and also Uruguay. Very nice. Excellent, chicos. Very, very nice. But today, you had to do something that also will be very interesting for you. You're going to watch the following video, okay? So please watch it. It's very, very, very short. It's about different places that people can know or can go right here in Costa Rica. Let's pay attention to it. Okay, now what you have to do, this is the following task. I will divide you into some groups. Maybe you can work in pairs or maybe a group of 3 people, okay? You're going to choose one of the 10 different places that you saw in this video, or you can add any other one that you like, okay? In your groups, you're going to talk about those places. You're going to describe those places using the vocabulary that we studied today, okay? And then you're going to give me at least 3 characteristics those places have, okay? So you're going to work in groups. So I will make the groups right now. Wait for me because I will divide you into the groups and then you may start with the activity, okay?